Over the last 1 week, Indian equity market is in a correction mode. Nifty is trading below 24,000 mark. Friends, if you look at the Nifty technical levels, Nifty had strong support at 25,000 mark. Right now, 25,000 support has been broken and next support is going to be at 24,000 level. The major reason for correction is, as we know that the war between Israel and Iran, this has created a lot of panicness in the market. That's the reason Indian equity market is in a correction mode. But this correction, which has created a good investment opportunity for long-term investor, especially if you want to invest lump sum money, this correction, which has created a golden investment opportunity. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about one mid-cap category mutual fund which is best for lump sum investment. It's none other than Nippon India Growth Fund. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss more about this fund. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. Nippon India Growth Fund, which was launched in 1995. It's been 29 years now. If you look at the AUM, asset under management, which is 33,700 crores. If you look at the expense ratio, which is 1.40%. If you look at the NAV, net asset value, which is 4,100. If you look at the asset allocation, 95% of allocation into equity market, 5% of allocation into debt market. Within equity, 10% of allocation into large cap, 70% of allocation into mid cap, 15% of allocation into small cap. If you look at the top 5 sectors, 11% of allocation into finance, 9% of allocation into auto component, 7% of allocation into pharma and biotechnology, 6% of allocation into industrial product, 5% of allocation into banks. If you look at the top 10 holdings, Power Finance Corporation Limited, Cholamandalam Finance Holding, Varun Beverages, Fortis Healthcare, Persistent System, Max Financial Services, Supreme Industrial Limited, NTPC, Voltas Limited, Max Healthcare Institutional Limited. If you look at the return, since inception, the fund has generated 24% of return, which is very good. 10,000 rupees SIP in the scheme since inception. Now your investment value will become 34 lakh. Market value will become 28 crore. Fear and greed are the biggest emotion in equity market. During the correction time, you have to control your fear. During the bull run, you have to control your greed. Then only you can create wealth in the equity market. If you are not able to control your fear and greed, you will not be able to create wealth in the equity market. So that's the reason Warren Buffett always says that be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. So which means that during the correction time, we have to invest more. During the bull run, we have to sell out. But what retailer does is, so they will do reverse. During the bull run, they will invest more. During the correction time, they will sell more. But what is the market principle? So when prices are reducing, we have to buy more. When prices are increasing, we have to sell more. Friends, during the bad situation, prices are very good in that time. So retail investors, they will sell. During the good situation, prices are very bad. In that time, retail investors, they will buy. But what institutional investors, they will do is, during the bad situation, so prices are very good. Institutional investors, they are going to be a net buyers. During the good situation, prices are very bad. Institutional investors, they are going to be a net sellers. But retail investors, they will do reverse. That's the reason most of the retail investors, they are not able to create wealth in the equity market. Friends, if you look at the equity market, corrections are part of every equity market. In the history, we have seen many corrections, we have seen many ups and downs. In spite of that, equity market has created huge wealth for many investors. In the same way, right now, whatever correction which is happening right now, in the future, things will normalize. Definitely, stock market will create a huge wealth for long-term investor. That's the reason you should not think too much about the short-term volatility. You can remain invest for a long term. Automatically, you can create a huge wealth in the long term. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please share it with the community. Thank you so much.